In this video, I'll teach you how to make a chart in Excel. I'm using Excel 2016, so your screen may look a little different if we're using a different version. So we want to use this information that we already have in our table to create a graph. This is a great way to visualize your data, especially if you're comparing trends over time like we are here in this example. So to start, we're going to select all the columns and rows in the table that we want to use. Just click the first box and drag across the items you want to include. Of course, you don't have to include all the items in the table if you don't want to, so you can always command select each data entry individually. However, that's pretty time consuming, so this is a nice little quick trick. After we have selected our data, you're going to go to the top Insert tab on the ribbon, and you can click that. Then you're going to see a subsection labeled Charts, and you can see that we have many different types of charts to choose from. We can just scroll over a few. You have a column chart, line, pie, etc. Personally, what I like to do is click on the recommended charts button right here. It gives you a quick little preview of what your data will look like in all the other charts. You can click around on the images for a better look, but I'm going to stick with the clustered column chart for now, which is our fourth option displayed here. We can just click on that, and we have our chart from our table. If you already knew coming into this that you wanted to create a clustered column chart with the data, you could always just click on the clustered column chart button instead of browsing through the recommended tables. So to edit this chart, we just click on the actual items within the chart themselves. So for example, we're going to change this chart title. So we can just click on it right here. Should let us edit immediately. And we're going to want to make it the same as our table title chart already. So annual airline on-time performances. And then you can just click off of it and it'll save that, and perfect. So let's say after we've created the chart that we really don't want to have a clustered column chart anymore, but say we wanted to have a pie chart. So we just left click on the chart that we have now. We can just scroll down, change chart type, and we have all of our options right here. So I want to do a pie chart. Just going to click on the simple 2D chart. And our information will still match the information we originally used from the table. It's just displaying it in a different way. And we're going to want to add labels to the pie chart, as people really can't see the numbers for the data we collected. So in the top right corner, we're going to click Chart Design on the ribbon. And then on the top left corner, we're going to hit Add Chart Elements. And even here, you can move the title around, move the legend, etc. But here we want to use data labels. Now I'm going to pick the best fit option. And if I don't like that, we can always go back and pick, let's say, outside. Perfect. So now that our data labels are displayed, we can just look at the chart designs and look at the different themes we can use. And let's just pick one that we like. I'm going to go with this one, I think. And then if we don't like these colors, to the left it says change colors, and you can pick a different color scheme. And that is how you create a chart in Excel.